What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're actually going to be doing something to the Supra. As you can tell by the title, you can probably already know what we're going to try, but this is just my curiosity peaking. I do really just want to hear what this car sounds like without the muffler on it. It's super easy to access. There's actually just one clamp holding it on, and if it sounds decent, I can just buy a piece of pipe and extend it and go from there. So it's super easy. I'm actually outside. It's super nice. I probably have like 10 minutes of daylight left, and if I run out, I can always move it into the garage where Joe's Miata is. I can back that out, tarp it, and it'll be good. But I do want to get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is crawl under here, and as you can kind of see, there's a clamp right there, and that's what's holding the muffler on. So I'm just going to hit that with PB Blaster, let that sit for a minute, get the right bolt size, and try to break those two off. Okay, so somehow, some way, those super rusty bolts did break loose, and they're actually unscrewing. PB Blaster is literally the most amazing thing on this planet Earth. But, so I think you guys are probably going to hear the car before, and I do as well. So I'm going to have to throw a battery in it and just crank it up, do a cold start, and turn it off before it gets too hot. I'm probably not going to do any revs, but just so you guys know what it sounds like before the muffler comes off, I'm gonna go start the car right now. So as you guys can hear, it's not very loud at all. It's actually super quiet. I've heard exhaust videos of these cars, but I know they have a full exhaust. I don't know what they sound like with just the muffler deleted, so that's what we're doing today. And fingers crossed it sounds decent. If it doesn't, I just put the muffler back on and at some point get an actual exhaust. I do have big plans for this car. As you guys have seen by the most recent videos, it has been Subaru, and it still is. And my end goal is to get that car done before winter. There's a lot of work left to do, but right now I'm kind of at a standstill with a few things, just needing people to help me, as I've stated in a previous video. But for now, I just want to do this. It's kind of nice out. As you can see, it's getting darker by the minute. So I'm gonna go get these bolts off and then see what it sounds like. Okay, so I beat the crap out of it with a hammer. I tried twisting it. That thing is like stuck on there. And for some reason, I have this undesirable urge to hear this car without a muffler. I Googled it. You can get an OEM muffler for this car really cheap. But to be honest, I'm probably either just gonna make a straight pipe because I just like cars loud. I don't think it could sound bad. It's an inline six. And I'm also just really want to get this done. I wanted to make a video about it. So I'm just gonna cut the exhaust. I think it's just easy. I'm gonna cut it actually to where I leave enough material where if I do need to put it back on, I can put a clamp and it'll go back on. But I just want to get it off. It's weird. It's a me thing. I want to do this. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut it, and that will get it off. There she is. This beautiful muffler. So yeah, this thing is actually a hunk of junk, and it's ugly and everything. My cut wasn't amazing, but it gets the job done. So it's actually, if this sounds good, which I'm hoping it does, because I'm kind of screwed if it doesn't, the exhaust comes out right there, and it's literally a straight shot to where the muffler would sit. So it'd be super easy to add a pipe and a tip, and it would look pretty good. I did it on my Volkswagen, and it worked out fine. So finally, we're gonna start it up, and this pipe is pretty rigid actually, so if I need to ride around pretty bunk for a little while, I can move everything out of the way. My face is filthy, my hair's all messed up, whatever, but I'm gonna go ahead and open the garage, and then that way I can set the camera up and we can hear what the car sounds like. I'm really hoping it sounds okay. I really hope it does. What the hell is on my forehead? I don't know. I was under the car. It wasn't really jacked up amazingly. I didn't have all that much space, so my head was probably bumping against stuff. But let's do it, let's fire it up. Ooh, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. incredible. Oh, yes. Yes. Yo, it sounds so good, just like I wanted. That is awesome. Oh, I'm so glad that worked out. Oh, we're gonna definitely take it out because I just want to hear it like through the RPMs and whatnot. So, yo, that's so dope. Yeah, if we get like a nice like pipe to come out to here, and then like, I don't know about you, I mean, the dual tips look really nice, but oh, like a big like Mark IV looking exhaust tip would look awesome. Oh, I'm so pumped. That is awesome. All right, let's let this car warm up a little bit and then we'll back it out. Insane. I did not expect it to do that. I think there was a backfire in there. Yo, that's crazy. What a good sounding car. Oh my God. I am so hyped. I have to wait for Joe to get home because he doesn't know I'm doing this. So I'm gonna be like, yo, I did something to the Supra and I'm gonna start it up and then we can go take it for a little drive. But man, does that sound awesome going through the RPM range. Oh, I'm so excited to take it on the road. I'll have Joe come so he can film for me. Oh, I'm so pumped. Oh, this came out awesome. I just need your reaction to this little John. You ready?
Yep. I did hear that.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you.
What have you done?
It doesn't have a muffler anymore.
Where does it stop?
It's like right here. It only needs like this much.
Oh, I thought we were filming something.
I wanted your reaction to that. You suck.
I heard it right away.
What? Yeah, well,
it's awesome.
Dude, it actually sounds incredible.
So what are you missing?
Here, it's not even that much. It's like just right there. We could do a straight piece of pipe and
like we did with the Golf.
Exactly. Yeah. She comes right out to here and we'll be
a straight piece.
Yeah. Literally the angle is perfect. And there's a hanger, but it broke. But that pipe does not move at all.
How did you get it off? Did it come off or did you cut it off?
I had to cut it with the Dremel. It took me a minute, but I did not want to touch that death tool.
Oh, no, I don't want you to.
All right, so we need to go take her around the neighborhood now because it sounds good. I took it.
It sounds like a car now.
Dude, it sounds like a 2J without a turbo. It's awesome.
I'm there.
All right, that door handle's weird. Yeah, baby, she rips now. The heat works in this thing too.
Really?
Oh yeah. She blows some. Feel that.
Like I said the other night, I
feel that heat right there.
I don't like cars that have been sitting because that heater box corrodes and you end up with water in your floor.
Yeah, well.
But this may not have a problem. All I know is it sounds like a Martin car.
Dude, it sounds so good. Here, well.
Here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. Actually, you can hear the motor a little better. It sounds stronger than it used to.
That muffler was probably clogged as
It might have been.
hell. She sounds like.
Oh man, you put that pipe out the back, this thing's gonna sound so good. What got into you to just cut it off?
I was looking at a lot of Supra videos today, and then I was like, well, we gotta do it. So yeah, that's what got me into it. She rips though, dude. I revved it to like 4.5, and it went
around the block?
No, I just revved it in our garage.
Yeah.
Or right there, and it went like whoop, whoa. It was like she's ready to roll, baby.
So
I should have went the other way.
no, we like
Yeah. Baby.
oh, this thing is great.
Yeah, dude. I was watching all these exhaust videos, and I'm like, it's an inline 6. It can't
It's
sound
gotta
bad.
have something.
It can't sound bad.
Oh
It's
man.
so good, dude.
I mean, it's so smooth.
Oh, it sounds so good. This was the best. And it's like, dude, we just go buy a $10 piece of pipe from AutoZone and we're good.
Oh my.
She sounds.
This is a real car.
All right, guys, so we took the Supra out. It sounds incredible. We do have some plans for cleaning up that exhaust and making it so it's not just a pipe right at the axle. So I'm gonna make another video on that when we do go ahead and fix the exhaust and make it look really, really nice. But for now, this is where I'm gonna end the video. The car is under the cover, it's tucked away, and I'm just so excited how that turned out. Started out with little hope because the muffler wouldn't come off, and I'm so happy that it did, and this is what we're left with. So if you guys wanna see more Supra content or more Subaru content, please subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. I know everyone says subscribe to my channel, subscribe, but like, honestly, it would mean the world. So, and if you like this Supra, please like the video and tell me if you like the Supra content, if you'd like to see more of the Mark II Supra, more Subaru. I'm gonna continue making Subaru videos because I want to document for myself and for whoever's interested my progress I'm making over the winter. The fender is just sitting on there right now, and I'm gonna do a video of actually mounting it and installing it and rolling it and doing all that fun stuff. So please stick around for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, have an awesome day.